this is Sharif for Just Nailed It. Good morning, everyone. I'm coming today to you with the PR package. This was sent to me by Pewete. This is the US brand of Pewete, which is a UK brand. Gel nail art polish set. Pine will extend expectations of beauty. Yeah. Let me go to the back of the box. Just keep away from children. Valid for 24 months. User manual, inedible, which means do not eat, folks. Keep away from fire. UV LED cured. Long lasting, means 21 days on here. Natural resin, nail strengthened. So, here's the ingredients, instructions, storage, note, manufacturer, and address. So I'm going to open the babies up. Here's the user manual. It does pull out, it gives you instructions. Start over here in case you want a screenshot. Gives you how to remove, not dry, storage reminder. So, and these come out and we have got, it gives you a matte, a base coat, and a no white top coat, which is where we will start over here. As you can see, there are some beautiful colors. Beautiful colors. With this many colors, they're beautiful. Look at them. And they are true to color. I did swatch all 21 colors previous to show you. I did those about, 3-4 days ago. So I'm going to take these out, show you the swatches with them, and so on and so forth, so give me just a moment. Alrighty, first we have got P14. There's this really, really pretty red. Like a cherry lipstick red. Corvette red. Really beautiful. Next we have got P415. Beautiful orange. I just put lotion on before I started this. I don't know how many of these I'm going to be able to open. I'm going to do my best. Beautiful orange. Should be great for Halloween, great for summer. Next we have got this beautiful yellow. It is 416. Swatch it out so you can see it. It's this beautiful, beautiful yellow. It comes off really soft at first, and then the vibrancy comes with the second coat. 417. This is like a soft baby chick yellow. Love this color here. I do not have a color like this in my collection. Really beautiful. Soft baby chick yellow. Soft baby chick yellow. Next we have got a topper, which I think is just gorgeous. P418. I don't know if you can. Let me find something dark. I don't know how well this is coming across on camera. It is a really gorgeous. This is 2 coats. It is a nice topper. P418. It is a beautiful, let's see how close I can get. Beautiful, beautiful topper. Got some blues in there. This is, whoops, turn this baby around, P419. A nice green. This collection's got a lot of nice colors in it. I've got 2 sets, 2 PR sets. We are only showing one here today. The next collection I show by Pewete will be a 50% discount code for it. Not this collection, but the next one. P420. This is a really nice minty green, kinda. It looks darker here in the bottle than it does on the nail. Again, this is P420. Alright, next up is P421. This beautiful, beautiful light sky blue. Beautiful, beautiful color. Next on our list is P422. Oops. This is like a minty green, not the other. This is a mint green. Beautiful shade. Next up, P423. Beautiful, beautiful blue. See how beautiful that is? These are opaque in one coat, except for the toppers. I did use 2 coats on all the nails. 2 coats of this. This is P424. This is really, really beautiful. Beautiful color, folks. I guess this ain't so good as a topper, maybe. It wasn't too clear like the first set that I brought out with the topper. This beautiful purple. You know how I am about purple. P425. The nails are starting to get tangled. It's a beautiful, glittery, sparkly purple. P426 is this nice purple. It's not too dark, it's not too light. We do have a lavender coming up next. This is a gorgeous purple. I like this one a lot. I may even wear this one. Next up on our list is P427. This is our lavender. Again, this brand is called Pewete. It is a U.S. brand, and I think you pronounce it as Umic. This is off of Amazon. I will put the price across the bottom of the screen. So that way, if you're interested, you can take a whiff test. There's no real odor at all from the top coat. It's got a normal drip rate. The top coat is a 10 mil. So these could be like 7. 1.7, I'm not really too sure. But this says here Christmas collection. Christmas gift set, I'm sorry. To me, these are not Christmas colors. These would be more along the line of spring, going into summer. They have got many different ones to pick from. So next up on our hit list here is, let's see this nail. We have got 420 or P428. This is really light baby pink. Beautiful color. These are opaque in one coat. I did use 2. This is P429. These are all true to color. This is a peachy color. Show this. I swear it's a peach. Next is this really beautiful pink, P430. It's like a bubblegum pink. Almost, well, let me point this out. I got a darker pink on. Yes, my nails match. They are done. Can you believe it? It never happens where they match, folks. It's very rare. Take a gander. This is number P431. This is also in the pink family. Turn my nail around. Maybe like a coral, pink, I can't talk. Pinky coral color like mixed, leaning towards. I love this color here. This is P432. It's got some bits in it. This is 2 coats. And I think this is just a gorgeous, gorgeous color. Really pretty, really pretty. Next we have got P433. This is like a rose gold hollow. It's definitely holographic. I don't know if you are getting the full effect on screen, but it is a hollow. And last but not least, we have got this beautiful gold. P434. Beautiful, beautiful gold. This will have many uses at Christmas time and New Year's. So we again have a 21-piece collection. 3 foundations. It is an Amazon pick, or at least it was when I purchased. So check this out. Again, this is by Pewete. I think you have a great little collection going on here. Like I said, I do have another one to show you, which has got summer colors. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Please click all on the bell, that way you get notified of all future videos. And any giveaways or any special information I may feel you need to know. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of the collection of the colors. I think they're gorgeous. I really, really do. I'm going to put them to some great use. So, have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.